cold out, fam. I don't get out in this type of weather. What could I be getting into today? Come with me, let's find out. Got our load of gravel. Let's get to where we need to be getting to. Boy, this is another fun one getting into. Super off camber coming off the road into here. Holy crap, man, this is a nasty one. Getting in this big truck in and out of here, off of this off camber. So I dumped this and then I'm gonna head back tomorrow with the skid loader and straighten it up. Well, that was a trick. That was tough. I'm glad I was able to get up there without my damn wheels spinning.
Yeah.
So we'll come back tomorrow. We'll straighten her up.
That's fine. We really appreciate it.
Not a problem. We gotta save Christmas, right?
Yeah.
Oh fam, we're all loaded up. Yeah, and for you guys that are always on me about putting the new solid tires on the Harley rake, I did that. That was one of the projects. Let's go save Christmas, I guess. It's like 20 degrees out. It's a good thing about having this barn all nice and heated. And during the winter, I always keep this truck inside because you never know when you're going to get that emergency call. Somebody needs something. Last year, 911 emergency, I had to go fix a road. It was like below zero and the guy was out of propane, so I had to fix the road for him. So we always get them emergency calls. Today, another emergency call. Well, I got it a couple of days ago, but it was raining all day yesterday. So go get him taken care of today. Do our good deeds. Come with us. Let's go see. Frozen. Might be a little difficult scraping this little area out here. Here we are, fam. You've seen this when we dumped it. Tough getting here. We've got to peel this out, dump it over there. Save Christmas. That's right. It's Saturday too. I don't work on Saturday, but the fam is out of town. They're down at Disney, so I get to stay here in the 20-degree weather. Get her carved out here. Want to kind of stay. We didn't get this located, but it's normally those are in conduits. It's probably running along the house. But what he's got going on here, he's got Christmas Eve party, and like I said, it's frozen now. But the other day when I came here, man, it was soft. I'm surprised I got that truck in and out. I'm gonna go over here and dump it. It's got a little hole over here. When I was hauling that back that day, I came out of the gravel pit and there was a DOT coming in the gravel pit. They were bringing some sort of machine in there, and on the way, so I headed back this way, and then on the way to here, 2 DOT were behind me the whole way, all the way down through the town of Brookville. Any of you guys that run heavy equipment and move heavy equipment and drive a truck, you know you don't like the DOT behind you. They're always looking for some reason to pull you over. And normally if they pull you over, they're not going to do you any favors. You're getting a ticket. I mean, I loaded from the gravel pit, so I wouldn't have been overweight. There shouldn't be anything. It's a ticket on my truck, but they can always find something. Go gingerly in here, like my buddy Willie always says. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of gravel under there. Oh, I see it. Well, what he was telling me, they had all this up here grass seeded. In a big storm, everything washed down here on top of this gravel. Huh, I ought to take that topsoil and spread it up there. Yeah, it's got gravel under there. Frozen crust on there. It's frozen a couple inches thick. Plenty of gravel, so I'm gonna fill this big hole that's right here. He could use a couple more loads of gravel to get his driveway right. This guy's actually was a customer of mine down at the shop. I didn't know until I pulled up and I just said, "Man, you look familiar." Getting it whipped into shape. It's kind of working a little bit, trying to break this frost up that's in it. This material here, when it dries out, man, it gets hard as woodpecker lips. Try to fix these little potholes up here for him. Main thing was the parking area, but it's pretty nasty. Might blow an oil pan out coming down here. Then you rev your engine, your car's blown up. You don't want that on Christmas Eve. Fam, it's that time of year again. I'm sitting around and not doing a whole bunch, and you know what I'm doing? Looking at equipment. Thinking, oh, I got a little money in the bank, maybe I should buy a new excavator. It never stops. It's a sickness. I've been looking at the new 317s and possibly a new 315. But I keep telling myself my 316 is gonna make me the same money as those. And I already got all the buckets and set up for it. That's how I am. I was gonna call my cat rep like 3 times and I held back. Because I know once I get that ball rolling, it's pretty much a done deal. I'll be demoing one and then finessing these edges in here. See, now I got this built up here. If it rains, it ain't gonna wash down to here. It's got an edge. Got her all laid in there. Now I'll just roll it in. My 299 compactor. actually turning out real nice. Like I said, when this stuff dries out, hardens up, man, it packs unbelievable. Straighten up the grass here a little bit. Everything's starting to thaw out now and get slimy. Well, fam, here's how it turned out. Nice little quick reaction job. Like I said before, we just had to save Christmas. Normally don't get out in this type of weather, but I could hear the desperation in his voice. Now he can get his family in here, get them parked for Christmas Eve. Heck yeah, keep banging them. And to all you family members been watching, liking, subscribing, leave me comments, not concrete. I appreciate it. Keep doing what you're doing. Them comments keep me going, because sometimes this whole deal can get frustrating, but it's, you know, I'll go check a video out and I'll see the comments. You guys always sending good stuff, so I appreciate that. Happy holidays to my dirt fam. Like always, keep banging them. If you ain't banging, nobody else will. Let's go. Make 2025 great again.